How do we separate cream from milk? Have you ever wondered how do we get salt from seawater? Hello everyone. We know that heterogeneous mixtures can be separated into their respective constituents by simple physical methods like handpicking, sieving, filtration. In this video, we will understand few common techniques for separation of the components of a mixture. Number 1, evaporation. Now what is evaporation? It is used for separating a soluble solid substance from its solution. The process can be made quicker by heating the solution. Example, we can get component dye from ink. Children, ink is a mixture of a dye in water. So, by using the evaporation, we can separate the volatile component, that is the solvent, from its non-volatile solute by the method of evaporation. Also, we can get back salt from water by using this method. Next, how can we separate cream from milk? Nowadays, we get full cream, toned and double toned varieties of milk product in market. These varieties of milk contain different amount of fat. Sometimes the solid particles in a liquid are very small and easily pass through a filter paper. For such particles, the filtration technique cannot be used. Such mixtures are separated by the technique of centrifugation. So here we are using centrifugation. The components of a mixture get separated because the denser particles are forced to the bottom and the lighter ones stay at the top. Now let's discuss some applications of this. It is used in diagnostic laboratories for blood and urine test. Also used in the washing machine to squeeze out water from wet cloths. Next method is sublimation. Some solid substance when heated change directly into vapor. This is called sublimation. On cooling the vapor, a solid is obtained. The solid contained by sublimation is called sublimate. So we can separate a mixture of salt and camphor by this method. Next is your chromatography. Chroma in Greek means color. This technique was first used for separation of colors. So this name was given. Chromatography is the technique used for separation of those solutes that dissolve in the same solvent. Now see, usually a dye is a mixture of two or more colors. The colored component that is more soluble in water rises faster, and in this way the colors get separated. With the advancement in the technology, newer techniques of chromatography have been developed. You will study about chromatography in higher classes. Separating funnel. Immiscible liquids separate out in layers depending on their densities by this method. To separate two immiscible liquids, we are using separating funnel. Like example, suppose you have to separate kerosene oil from water, then use a separating funnel. Pour the mixture of kerosene oil and water in a separating funnel. Let it stand undisturbed for some time so that the separate layers of oil and water are formed. Open the stopcock of the separating funnel and pour out the lower layer of water carefully. By this way, we can separate immiscible liquids. So for immiscible, we are using separating funnel. Now the question is, how can we separate a mixture of two miscible liquids? So yes, the method is known as distillation. Distillation is used for separation of components of a mixture containing two miscible liquids that boil without decomposition and have sufficient difference in their boiling points. In this process, actually, the conversion of a liquid into vapor that is subsequently condensed back to liquid form. You can separate acetone and water from their mixture. Take the mixture in a distillation flask, fit it with a thermometer. Arrange the apparatus as shown in the figure. Heat the mixture slowly, keeping a close watch at the thermometer. The acetone vaporizes, condenses in the condenser and can be collected from the condenser outlet, and water is left behind in the distillation flask. To separate a mixture of two or more miscible liquids for which the difference in the boiling points is less than 25 Kelvin, fractional distillation process is used. Next method is crystallization. It is used to purify solids. It is a process that separates a pure solid in the form of its crystals from solution. Example, obtain pure copper sulfate from impure sample.